child is having difficulty in blending, the first step is to find out whether he knows all the sounds or not. So, for example, now if your child is very comfortable with the sounds, let us blend two sounds. Three sounds. Hot. Make the first sound longer and pull it till the end. Hot. Let's replace it and see if the child is understood and can read the same word if we replace a sound. Hot. Let's add an extra sound. S. Ot. S. And p is sp. Ot. Spot. S and p are two sounds. It's called a blend, and we can hear two sounds when we say it together. But let's see another word where we hear only one sound. Shh. Not sh and h. The child must know this is one sound. Sh, shot. When you parents start with a 4-letter word or a 3-letter word, it becomes very difficult for a child to read. Please start with the sounds first. For more such phonic tips, follow my page.